So there's two areas of the shoulders that we want to focus on specifically. The first one is upper trapezius, the top of the shoulders. People tend to tense up there if they're applying pressure. They also tense up if they're holding their bodies stiffly. So once again, we need to take pressure off the shoulders, lean our bodies for pressure, sway to deliver power, and make sure that the table's not too high, because if the table's too high, again, you won't be able to involve your body. You'll be overusing your shoulders. Just remembering what we want to do, good body use, dynamic use of your body, swaying, leaning, getting your body behind what you're doing, and trying to keep those shoulders relaxed. And before clients, after clients, at the beginning and end of your working day, just wriggle your shoulders, move them around to remind you how they can be relaxed and ease out any tensions that you've developed during the working day.